The news that a baby who was allegedly stolen from Kafue General Hospital has been found makes some good reading. According to the Zambia National Broadcasting Corporation's Facebook page, ZNBC Today, there was a press release under the heading, Update on the Case of Child Stealing at Kafue General Hospital. The story read, the Zambia Police Service wishes to inform the general public of a positive development in the case of child stealing reported at Kafue General Hospital in Kafue District on February 21st, 2026. Following the incident, the Zambia Police Service constituted a dedicated task team of investigators to conduct comprehensive investigations into the matter. Today, Tuesday, February 2026, at around 0540 hours, Kafue Police Station through Shikoswe Police Post received a report from Miss Faide Spiri of Shikoswe Township that she had discovered an abandoned male infant. Brief facts of the matter are that around 05 hours, Miss Spiri, who works as a maid, was on her way to work when she heard the cry of a baby coming from an area covered with small grass. She moved closer to ascertain the source of the sound and discovered an infant lying there. She alerted a man who was walking ahead of her, who advised her to report the matter to the police. Miss Spiri immediately picked up the baby and reported the matter to Shikoswe Police Post. Acting swiftly on the report, police officers responded promptly, secured the baby, and immediately transported the infant to Kafue General Hospital for medical attention. The child has since been reunited with the mother. The Zambia Police extends its sincere gratitude to Ms. Faide Spiri for her alertness, prompt action, and strong sense of civic responsibility, which significantly contributed to the safe recovery and reunification of the child. Her actions underscore the vital role members of the public play in supporting law enforcement efforts to protect vulnerable members of our community. Investigations into the matter remain ongoing, and the public will be updated as developments unfold. This is very interesting. It is very interesting because the baby has been found. Personally, I'm looking forward to a day when the report will be out so that the public gets to know how the whole thing just happened. Because I'm assuming that the place in which these infants are kept, the place in which these babies are put, is supposed to be a secure place. Okay? So I look forward to just hear how a baby can be stolen from a whole general hospital without anybody seeing the person that carried this baby. And the baby just finds themselves in Shikoswe. I'm looking forward to just hear how this happened. However, I have a few concerns. Is it possible? I don't know how the ethics of health are, but is it possible that in some places in these hospitals we can put some CCTV cameras, especially kwamene mumasungirako to mbututu? Is it possible? I'm asking this question because recently we have had a number of cases of child stealing. Okay? Some true, some not true. Some are just allegations, some just misunderstanding, but we have followed over the years. It may not be in a shortest period of time, but in a few years that have passed, we've had cases of child stealing. And one wonders, how do these children get stolen? How? In a whole hospital, mwana bamuba. How does it just happen? Because you're assuming there are people that put in these places to just take care of these children. And if they're not there, before someone can actually reach where these children are, there should be some form of security such that people cannot just enter in these, especially to maybe into my premature and you're trying the best you can to just keep them alive. There should be a way these children are protected. And I'm sure, Abia, that those ways are there. So it's not possible that someone can just go and get a child and they are not seen. But if these cases are there now, and we are told that these people are not seen when they are going to get this baby, I suggest let's put CCTV cameras. There is nothing to hide. It's for security purposes. There is nothing there. Or there is nothing that is going to happen. We can be worried. I'm saying these things because at some point, whether there was an NSC or a security guard or not, at least we should have evidence of someone walking in and walking out with the baby, and the camera can capture such kind of people. We can't have cases of child stealing or children disappearing from where they are being kept in this day and age of advanced technology. No, it's uncalled for. There is enough technology to show us what is happening at what particular time in what place. That technology is there, especially in sensitive places. We can't just hope that no, there are people. Naye muntu amalema sometimes blood imazula azafuna aenda atunde, sometimes izazula tanki mkato azaenda achitaye offload. Things are bound to happen, but there should be some form of security to see to it that even at that particular time when that person has left, something is there to capture what is happening. Especially in these sensitive places where children are being kept. Cases are just too many. We've had too many cases of people complaining, mwana wanga banibera, mwana wanga swamene, mwana wanga banichi. We don't need those things in this time and era. So me, I have a proposal, if possible, through the Minister of Health. Oh yeah, we don't have. That's the unfortunate thing. But we have the PS. Sir, madam, can we find a way of ensuring that, especially kubana kuja, kwankarako some form of CCTV kuja kwane bana bakabadwa kwano mawapeleka nabaja bane wafunika kwendo yanganira proper attention after babadwa ma underweight ma premature kwano mawapeleka kuja. Can we have some form of security so that we don't have such kind of cases? Because honestly, if we just let it be like that, mani tizambo mangitsa na bantu wakaere, tizambo mangitsa na bantu wakaere pia, so such that kumasogoro we will start paying them back again for detaining them or arresting them wrongfully. It is very unfair. So me, it's a request, ngati mzaitenga itenge, ngati mzaitenga isien, but we need some form of security, and I think in this day and era CCTV is the best. It will show bia kuti bana ngena ni bachite banachokera hapa na hapa mungafake kwane bankalira bana kuja mu corridor muja mu passage mwane bapita abantu mwamne sibapita chintako mungafake, so that aoneka muntu wenzange na alibe chili chonse achoka na mwana. You are able to know njere muntu wenzange na mwanzabara vaso na so the CCTV will be there to show you. We shouldn't have these cases going forward. It's a serious matter of urgency. Let's find a way we can just sort it out. Yeah, gentlemen, ka Champions League kalione hapa peti kambaye. Kaliononi na mairo futi kaliononi, please take advantage of these games to make some extra shilling. Yeah, make some extra shilling and help your families, help your brothers and sisters, and help yourself. Yeah, promo code Kendumbo saibara. Yo msazibara via yonse msazibara. That's the promo code Kendumbo, and make a deposit of any amount to get a bonus of up to 300%. Company, one expert.